Hi everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is a real treat. We're making a juicy and flavorful cauliflower steak in the air fryer. Start by taking a large head of cauliflower and removing any extra leaves. Cut the cauliflower into thick slices or steaks. You'll need 2 for this recipe, but feel free to roast the rest as well. Look at those beautiful, even pieces. Just perfect. Let's make the marinade. Pour some olive oil into a small bowl. Add 3 generous pinches of salt. Next, add smoked paprika. It's perfect for veggie steaks. Toss in a little cumin too. Finish with a splash of lime juice for brightness. No lime? A lemon works just as well. Give the marinade a good stir. I love using rosemary sprigs to mix. It adds a wonderful aroma. Brush the marinade onto both sides of the cauliflower steaks. I'm so glad you're here with me for this recipe. I always try to bring you something fun and wholesome. If you're enjoying it, please like and subscribe. Look at that beautiful golden color we've got. Line a silicone baking form with parchment paper, or place the steaks directly into the fryer basket. Add the marinated steaks to the form. They fit just right. Now I place the form into the air fryer. This is where the magic begins. Set the temperature and timer. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes on one side. Take the steaks out. They look so delicious. Exactly what I was aiming for. Carefully flip them over. Return them to the fryer to cook the other side. This time, set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake for another 10 minutes. Remove the fully cooked steaks. Golden, crispy edges, and such a tempting aroma. Place the cauliflower steaks on a serving plate. Let's prepare the side. Slice a sweet bell pepper. So fragrant and good for you. I love adding it to my veggie dishes. Place the sliced pepper in a large bowl. Next, slice about 150 grams of mushrooms. I chose button mushrooms. Feel free to use any kind you enjoy. I'm always inspired by these warm, earthy tones. Add the mushrooms to the bowl with the pepper. Now chop a red onion. Medium-sized pieces are just right. Don't chop them too small. Add the onion to the rest of the veggies. Now take about 5 cloves of garlic. I slice mine thin. If you like a stronger garlic flavor, just cut each clove in half. Add the garlic to the veggie mix. Now add 200 grams of cooked chickpeas. Canned ones work great too, they're even softer. Season with salt to taste. Add a bit of black pepper. You can also toss in your favorite herbs or spices. I always add a bit of my favorite smoked paprika. Drizzle everything with olive oil. And give it a good mix. The aroma is absolutely amazing. Line your baking form with parchment paper, or use the air fryer basket directly. Transfer all the veggie mix with chickpeas into it. Place the form into the air fryer. Set the temperature and timer. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, chop some fresh basil, or use your favorite greens. Chop finely. Place the chopped herbs in a small bowl. Now grate some garlic with a fine grater, or mince it. Add olive oil and mix it well. The veggies with chickpeas are done. Such a warm, colorful veggie mix. Spoon the veggies onto a serving plate. Place the cauliflower steak on top. Drizzle with the garlic herb sauce. And there you have it. Enjoy your meal. Thanks so much for watching. I'd be so grateful if you subscribed, liked, and shared this recipe with your friends.